Hello, savvy viewers. Welcome back to another episode of Veritas 101. Whether you're a student stepping into the world of finance, a young professional looking to streamline your spending, or anyone in between, understanding credit cards is crucial. Today, we're not just skimming the surface, we're diving deep into the world of credit cards, demystifying how they work, how they can impact your financial health, and most importantly, how to pick the right one for your wallet. Strap in, because this is going to be your ultimate guide to everything credit cards. Section 1. What is a credit card? Let's start with the basics. A credit card is not just a piece of plastic or metal with a fancy logo. It's a financial tool issued by a bank or another financial institution. It gives you the ability to borrow funds up to a certain limit to pay for goods and services. The idea is simple. Use the card, get billed later. At the end of each billing cycle, you receive a statement. And here's where discipline comes in. You can pay it off in full or make a minimum payment. But beware, not paying in full could mean interest charges, and these can add up quickly. Section 2. Understanding credit card limits. Moving on, let's talk about credit limits. Every credit card comes with a ceiling. That's your credit limit. But why isn't it unlimited? Well, technically most of the credit cards have limitations, and only very rare of them is unlimited, but they require you have very high net worth. It is because the bank needs to manage its risk. Your limit is based on your creditworthiness, which banks determine using several factors like your credit score, your income, your employment stability, and more. This limit can change over time as your financial situation changes, for better or worse. Section 3. Factors that influence your credit limit. So, what specifically influences the limit set on your card? First, your credit score, a 3-digit number that tells lenders how trustworthy you are with money. Higher scores often lead to higher limits. For example, a person with 630 credit scores doubtfully can get a credit card, but a person with 720 may get $1,500 per month, and another person with 760 may get $2,500 per month. But of course, there are other factors that will affect the amount. Then there's your income. It makes sense, right? The more you earn, the more you can theoretically pay back. The debt-to-income ratio is another big one. If you already owe a lot of money, lenders might be cautious about letting you borrow more. And we will talk about this one more later. Lastly, the broader economic environment plays a role too. During economic downturns, credit can tighten up across the board. Section 4. How credit cards affect your credit score. Let's dig deeper into how these cards impact your all-important credit score. Using a credit card wisely can be one of the fastest ways to build up your score. Regular, on-time payments and keeping your credit utilization low signal to creditors that you're a safe bet. To be specifically, keeping the ratio at 15% is way better than 60% or 80%. On the flip side, late payments or maxing out your card can cause your score to plummet. It's like a financial trust fall. Maintain balance, and you'll be caught safely. Tip the scale, and well, it's a harder climb back up. Section 5. Advantages of credit cards over debit cards. Now, why choose a credit card over a debit card? The benefits can be numerous. For starters, credit cards come with rewards programs, think points, miles, or cashback on your purchases. Usually, every purchase will bring 1x to 5x points to exchange for cash paying back your credit card or for other benefits. For example, if your credit card promised 3x points back, then you will get 300 points after you spent $100 on something. 300 points will exchange for $3. I know it sounds too little to care, but trust me, it will surprise you with the accumulation. The credit cards also provide purchase protections like warranties and fraud protection that debit cards often don't offer. Moreover, they can be a real lifeline in emergencies, giving you access to funds when you need them the most. And, importantly, they allow you to build a credit history, which is crucial for future financial endeavors like applying for a loan or renting an apartment. Section 6. How to choose the right credit card. Choosing the right credit card isn't just about picking any card. It's about finding the card that fits your financial landscape. Consider your credit score first. It determines what cards you're even eligible for. Next, think about your needs. Are you a frequent flyer? Look for a card that rewards travel. Grocery shopper? There are cards that give you extra points at the supermarket. Also, consider whether you need a business card for work expenses or a personal card for everyday use. Section 7. Tips for choosing your card to make a smart choice. thoroughly compare cards. Look beyond flashy rewards. Consider interest rates, annual fees, and the benefits each card offers. Will the rewards you earn offset the fee? Does the card enhance your spending habits or help you achieve better financial health? These are crucial questions. And don't forget, the best card for you now might not be the best forever. Regularly reevaluate your card as your financial situation evolves. Take me as an example. I mainly spend my money on grocery shopping, rent, traveling because of my career, and daily transportations. Based on my needs, I got Bilt credit to pay for the rent and transportation, Chase credit card for grocery shopping and dining, and Amex credit card for traveling expenses like plane tickets and hotels because they offer very high points on travel expenses. The points are saved and accumulated to a certain level that even able to make a huge difference when you pay for something next time. And also they helped my credit scores performing better and more stable. There you have it, everything you need to know to navigate the complex world of credit cards. Armed with this knowledge, you can make informed decisions that not only prevent costly mistakes, but also enhance your financial well-being. Thanks for tuning into Veritas 101. Like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications for more deep dives like this. Got a question or a topic you want us to explore? Drop a comment below. Until next time, keep your finances sharp and your mind sharper.